Deep Repair Shampoo. Formulated with aloe vera and royal jelly, this shampoo helps eliminate damage, repairing the hair from the roots to the ends and keeping it protected against future damage. Natural formula. This shampoo fights frizz and protects dry, damaged hair with 100% organic aloe vera, leaving your hair soft, manageable, shiny and healthy looking, free of parabens, salts, and silicone. Try our natural hair care formulas. We carry an array of thickening, revitalizing, volumizing and hydrating hair care products with natural ingredients like coconut, royal jelly and Mexican herbs. The Hispanic Brand for natural hair care. Our range of products are formulated with royal jelly and ingredients of natural origin to help reduce hair loss and enhance the beauty of each hair type. Deep Repair System. The new Tio Nacho line with aloe vera repairs hair damage from the first use, sealing hair ends and protecting against future damage. Powered by royal jelly and 100% organic aloe vera, this paraben-free, silicone-free and salt-free system will leave your hair soft, manageable, shiny and healthy looking. Top reviews from the United States. Big difference in hair health. Switched to this so my hair could recover from years of processing and day-to-day damage. Has been amazing. My hair shines again, it's stronger and thicker. This is the only shampoo our whole family uses now and have been for over a year. Big difference.